My class so thick we might.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making stuffed chicken breasts. The first thing we're going to do is wash and cut the chicken breasts in half, but not all the way through. After we finish cutting our chicken breast, we're going to make our cream cheese filling. So in a large bowl, add your cream cheese. Then add your shredded cheese to the bowl. Then add your sun-dried tomatoes. chopped green onions, cut and add your fresh spinach. And then add your creamy roasted garlic pesto. Then add your bay leaves. Now we gotta season this thing. Add your accent. Add your seasoned salt. Add your black pepper. Add minced garlic. And stir all ingredients together very well. We have added water to the bottom of the baking pan. Then place your chicken in the baking pan and then add the cream cheese mixture to the chicken. Close the chicken like a book. Then put the toothpicks in the chicken to keep it closed. water. Add your black pepper. And then add your seasoning salt. Next, add your accent. The smoked paprika. Add chicken. Add the roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Add complete seasoning. Add the Italian seasoning. Add onion powder. And last but not least, add your parsley. And set this aside. And now for our stuffed chicken breast. We're going to cut the chicken breast like we did the other ones. In half, but not all the way through. Now to make our stuffing, we're going to take some butter and add it to a bowl and microwave it to melt it. Then, in a large bowl, add some onions, chopped onions. Then add chopped green peppers. Then add your melted butter. Then add some hot water and that's 3 cups of water. It is 1.5 cups each box. Then add your turkey stuffing mix. Then mix well. Make sure all of the stuffing mix is mixed well with water. After you're finished mixing, put it in the microwave according to the time on the box. After you take the stuffing out of the microwave, fluff it with a fork. Then place the chicken on the baking pan. And add the stuffing mixture to the chicken.
Snap your fingers like snap, 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 snap. Better snap your fingers when I come around. This is for party people. Let's make it bang loud. The noise is coming out. You love the way it sounds, just like the synthesis on this music making you bounce. This is your party.
Then close the chicken breast with a toothpick, just like we did the first chicken breast.
The way you sound, the things you do, snap your fingers. Perfect place to be, perfect place for me, perfect time to see me. Snap your fingers. Love the way you move, the way you sound, the things you do, snap your fingers. Perfect place to be, perfect place for me, perfect time to see me. Snap your fingers. Now you know that I'm not kidding, I try to fit in. Bitches sitting and they be sizzling, asking what's written on my shirt. They're hidden on a fella within and asking what is hidden. Fingers. Now you know we got no way. Snap your fingers like you're going out to get paid. Fingers. There's nothing to be said.
Then add all the seasonings that we used to season the chicken earlier.
Perfect place to be, perfect place for me, perfect time to see me. Snap your fingers. Love the way you move, the way you sound, the things you do. Snap your fingers. Perfect place to be, perfect place for me, perfect time to see me. Snap your fingers. Snap, 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 snap.
And after they're all seasoned, add some olive oil and butter on top. And then add the rest of your chopped onions. Put the chicken in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes to an hour. Now to make the gravy, we're going to add the chicken bouillon to the pot of water. And then add browning sauce. Add kicking chicken seasoning. Then add your roasted garlic and herbs. Add onion powder. Add butter. I didn't show it, but I also added some garlic powder. Now next we added some flour and water to a bowl and mixed it well. Then I poured it in the pot. This is to make the gravy thicker.
Woo! Snap your fingers like snap, 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 snap. Better snap your fingers when I come around. This is for party people. Let's make it bang loud. The noise is coming out. You love the way it sounds, just like the synthesis on this music making you bounce. This is your partner, dancing harder. You love the way it goes, take it farther. Like no other rapper on the spot, that making CDs at home. Ain't no imposter. Snap your fingers, like the way you move, the way you sound, the things you do. Snap your fingers, perfect place to be, perfect place for me, perfect time.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below.
Smoke roll up my window when we cruising, baby. My class so thick we might